Before you begin, remove the 2 rubber feet and the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery connector from the system board. Disconnect the front left speaker cable connector from the system board. Remove the 5 P0 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Lift up the battery toward the front edge slowly and then lift it away to remove it. Replacement. Align the battery with the screw wells in the top cover and slide it into position. Replace the 5 P0 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Reconnect the front left speaker cable connector to the system board. Reconnect the battery connector to the system board.